Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll be sharing how I organize my craft paper supplies. I found some great solutions that make it easier to find different sizes and types of paper, and they also keep my paper stock light, since paper tends to be one of the heaviest craft materials. I'll walk you through how I've organized scrapbook paper, letter size paper, origami paper, and scrapbook pieces. This type of storage box was designed to store scrapbook paper, but if you fill it to capacity, it weighs a lot and it's hard to sort through and find the color that you're looking for. So instead of using it for scrapbook paper, I use it for my scraps. To organize my scrap paper, I sort them by color and put them in this box, and it makes things easy to put away and it's very quick. I just toss them in there, and it's especially helpful after I worked on a big project and I don't have a lot of energy left. To organize my scrapbook papers, I used heavyweight plastic envelopes, sorting them into different categories, including the store I bought them from, according to their theme, and I also keep big paper packs together. To help keep everything upright, I made a magazine-style holder from heavy cardboard. I cut the pieces and then I hot glued them together, and then inside of it I stored my scrapbook paper envelopes. Next to the magazine holder, I arranged my paper packs by theme, and I used oversized tabs to sort them into categories. I found these tabs at the Dollar Tree, which were very much more affordable than office supply store options. And for stability, I stacked everything really tightly on the shelves to keep the papers upright and organized. I store my papers on my IKEA Besta shelf, especially because they're nice and deep and they fit the size of scrapbook paper. I used plastic drawers to make it easy to find the right colors of letter size paper. I created my own stickers with a paint swatch design to label each drawer, and I labeled it by color range. And these stickers work wonderfully. It's much faster to spot exactly what you need at a glance, and you can see them really easily. For letter size papers, I found a range of plastic envelopes. Some of them are clear and some are colorful, and I picked up these ones at the Dollar Tree. And I also really love these sturdy U brand poly envelopes. The clear ones at the Dollar Tree aren't very durable, so I reinforced each of these envelopes with a piece of cardboard for added stability. These envelopes are also perfect for organizing pattern pieces, and especially the small ones, they fit really nicely inside. For origami paper, I used an art bin container, and it's absolutely perfect. It's just the right size to keep everything neatly organized. And this container has been such a great solution. It protects my paper and keeps everything really accessible, and it's so much better than storing them in the plastic envelopes that they come in. To store my small scrapbook parts and pieces, I use silicone bags, and I found these at Dollarama, and I labeled them with a P-Touch labeler, and they keep small parts together really well. I'm so happy with how everything is organized now. It's made my crafting sessions much smoother and more enjoyable. And I wanted to make sure that my system wasn't too heavy, complicated, or expensive, and I hope these ideas inspire you to organize your own craft supplies. Thanks so much for watching.